Welcome back, friends, fellow meat enthusiasts. It's Thanksgiving. Good idea this year. Maybe you cut your turkey up and cut it all separate. You don't worry about the breast and the thigh all being done at the same time. Maybe one's dry, maybe one's not ready yet. It doesn't take anything away. Maybe you want to carve the thing whole on the table. It might break that tradition, but to me, worth it. Each piece of turkey comes out excellent if you separate it first. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's basically like a big chicken with maybe a twist here or there. Start with a good knife. I'm going to take the wings off first. Expose the joint. Just bent it back a little to expose it. And you can take the wing off as its own piece. I'll show you again. Stretch it all the way. And somewhere about there. There's your wings. Uncross the feet there. Not relaxing on my watch. Remove the drum. You can see this little fat line. It's a good natural seam to remove the drum. Just through the skin there. And it's still there. You still follow this same thing. It's where the thigh attaches to the drum. And with a chicken, your knife goes right through. With a turkey, bones are a little more or a little less forgiving. Let's try that again. Right through. There's your drums. Got the neck. I'll leave that as is. Check for anything else. Maybe they leave the giblets in there. Maybe they don't. Got the tail still attached. So you have this big cavity where you have your thighs and you have your breast. Go straight down and separate at the vertebrae there. I'm going to try to cut the skin as clean as possible so both the thighs and the breast maintain skin when cooking. So now we're through everything except skin. So far, so good. The thighs. You've got your backbone here and your thigh bone. Easy enough to dislocate the thigh. You've created space now for your knife to remove it. And to me, a turkey thigh is about the best part of a turkey. Boom, turkey thigh. Let's do it again. Same thing. See that little notch there? You can start with the tip there. Right through and right through. Boom, turkey thighs. So you've got your back here. We could separate this further with a cleaver or a big knife if we want. Same thing on the breast here. Big cavity, nice intact breast, but we want this small enough to cook in pieces. Middle of the back. Separate the skin. We're down into the backbone. Poultry bones are pretty forgiving. Base of your knife should be able to go through. So you get up to the neck area. So we've separated that. Here's the breastbone. Same thing. I'm going to segment this little cartilage area right in the middle. Just a little bit. And then just put a little pressure going down the sternum and peeling off one side clean. So a little curve where you got your wishbone. You pop that by hand. It's very simple. And then you've got a natural seam once again where you keep the skin on the breast. There it is. Got this back piece. We'll remove that in a minute. For now, let's do the same thing here. Hold on. All right, so let's remove the backbone. We're leaving some bone on the breast. Attaches up here again at the wishbone. Base of the knife can make it through. And I'm just going to manually break that. Be very careful when you do this, guys. Not only to not cut yourself, but to not contaminate everything. Poultry is very contaminant. Make sure you don't have any fully cooked foods or your veggies or your greens or anything anywhere nearby when you're going through this process. Same thing over here. We'll just remove this piece of backbone. I'm going to remove the tail. So for the big back piece, all I'm going to do is break it right in half. Now, many of you, for soup or something like that, may be ready to go as is. If you have a meat cleaver, this is the way to do it. But if you don't, that's as good as it gets. So there you have it, a turkey in pieces. You can cook as you like. Anyways, guys, if you found some value in this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.